Richard Radke here with multiple income funnel and 5 different income streams. Let me show you some of the other things you get before I show you all the income streams. First of all, if you go in here, you get a link here. Link is basically get a link to each one of these capture pages, and there's lots of them. And you can use one or as many as you want. I use more than one, depending where I'm sending him to. Then also you go in there and you got your training. You got multiple training. You got, first of all, you get your weekly training. Then you got marketing system training, which will definitely help you with your marketing if you look at all these videos. So that's worthwhile looking at. Then if you go back into it again, you get some more, the 7-step training, which first one is a lesson. Basically, that means work on your personality. Then you go here, you get to step 2. That shows you how to get traffic. Lesson 3, how to do follow-up. Lesson 4, how to do YouTube. Lesson 5, how to do Facebook. Lesson 6, how to block some time to do this opportunity. And then there's some more bonuses in there. Then if you go back into it again, it shows you who's all on your team and all the leads that you get once you start advertising it. I mean, I got oodles of leads in here, and I got an email with every one of them, so I can do follow-up, and I do follow-up with them. And the company also does follow-up, which helps you to get them into your opportunity. Then you got a leaderboard. It shows you all the people that are on the leaderboard. Then you got resources, which is basically samples of follow-up emails that you can use. You can use them or you can use your own. It's entirely up to you, but you should definitely do follow-up because most people will not join on the first time they look at something. Then you got one here. If you click on that, it shows you all your business in your back office. Then you got a bonus income, which I guess I'll start it, which is another one I use. I'll show you this one before I show you the other 4 income streams. It's a way to get leads. For $1 a day, you get 100 leads, and then at the end of the month, you have 3,000 leads, and you can email them every day, which I do. And you can. It's also an affiliate program, or you can also earn some money when you bring people in. And if you bring somebody in, then you get 200 leads a day instead of 100 leads for still only the $1. So, the emailing system is included with it. So I think that's a very good deal. So then if you go back into it again, now I think I pretty well told you all the things you get. Now I should go into the links. And that was one income stream. The first one is the first income stream, which is the main income, which is, Matt explains this very well in 21 minutes, way better job than I do. Then you got step 2 and step 3, which you can put your own opportunities in. And if you don't have any, take a look at the ones I got, and you can use them. They're both very good opportunities, and they're each under $10 a month. Then you got Traffic Authority, which has training and also has great leads. They've been in business for over 10 years. And the price depends on how many leads you buy. Of course, if you buy more leads, they're cheaper per lead. So it's your decision. You don't have to buy any if you don't want to. Now, let me see. What else was I going to tell you? It seems like a short video today. And the other thing, I'm going to put my link under the video that you can watch this 21-minute video, and it also a link to join, and I'm with my contact information. If you got more questions, then you can contact me so I can answer them for you. And I think that's all I'm going to say today. We're getting a lot of rain here today, but I sure like it a lot better than snow. So I don't know how the weather is for you. I hope it's pretty good over there where you are too. So that's all I'm going to say for today. Thanks a lot. Talk to you another time.